Hey everyone, today in this video I just want to make an update of what I've been doing to my RC vehicle so far that I got for Christmas about a month ago. So I just barely put on my first upgrades on this. I changed the shocks on it, and also I added a LED light underglow kit for it. The shocks I put on it right here is the big bore aluminum shocks. I only bought them on eBay. So they did come with all four, obviously. There's some right there. And I don't know, let me take this off a little bit. And there's one right there. So I just want to make a few updates of what I'm going to do on this RC vehicle. I'll be changing the wheels on this. I'll be adding some paddle tires to it. The paddle tires will make it hydroplane, or help it hydroplane. I've added a GPS system to it, so if I wanted to test out some speeds and such. This is a 3S LiPo battery. I didn't mention that in the last video, or the unboxing video. But this is a 3S LiPo battery, which is needed for it to hydroplane. My second upgrade I did to it was I've added this underglow kit. Well, maybe, if I can get it to work. Give me a second. My LED light kit won't turn on. I wish I could skip this so you don't have to wait through this all, but I'm not that good. I think I might have disconnected the LED. No? It's still there. I don't understand why it's working, or why it's not working. Oh, wait a minute. I just had to... Give me a second. It worked before. Let me this wire right here is to the... Oh! I know why. It's not connected. This... This right here is this. Yeah, something's wrong with my steering, but this is the light. I believe this is the steering thing. There we go. Yeah, here we go. So anyway, here's what here's the underglow kit I've added. Right here. Looks pretty cool. I just added it so then I can use it at night, of course. So my future upgrades, what I want to do to it, I want to make this hydroplane, which I will do, and I will make a video on that. Yeah, I don't know about the wheelie bar. I don't know if it'll fly off when it's hydroplaning or not, but anyway. My next upgrades, I'm going to be changing some extra plastic parts to it, to aluminum, and that's basically it. I may think about getting a new body shell for this. I'm not sure though. Oh, and on the body shell, I will be adding some taillights and headlights to it. And I may think about upgrading the battery to a more powerful one, but this one should be good for now. So anyway, that's the update on what I have been doing to my Traxxas Stampede VXL 2OD or 2WD. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please subscribe if you want to see more about my RC vehicle. I will be doing speed runs on this. I'll be making some videos of changing different parts and such. And later on this year, I will be making a video of it hydroplaning. So I hope y'all enjoy this video. Please consider subscribing and liking the video. And comment what I should do to my RC vehicle. So I hope you all enjoy. This was just an update of what I've been doing to it, what upgrades I've been doing to it. I may do a video on me repairing the servo on this because something is wrong with my steering. I'm going to get a whole new steering servo system on it. But anyway, hope you guys enjoy. We'll see you in the next video. And if I get a new steering system servo, I will be making a video of it, of how to repair it and such. Anyway, again, please subscribe, comment, or not comment, like the video, subscribe, and turn post notifications on. And if you want to see more videos on my RC vehicle, just let me know. See ya.